In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Power BI layout design with Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to use PowerPoint as a quick and flexible way to design the visual layout for a Power BI report. Then bring that design into Power BI as a background image so everything lines up perfectly. PowerPoint's drawing tools, shapes, alignment options, and typography controls make it much easier to create clean, consistent report frames, headers, and placeholders before you start building visuals. Begin by opening PowerPoint and designing the layout you want for your report page. Think about the key areas you'll need: a header or title bar, space for slicers or filters, and sections for charts and tables. Use rectangles, lines, and icons to sketch where visuals will live. Keep alignment and spacing consistent so the report feels intentional. Simple color blocks and subtle dividers are great for guiding the eye without distracting from the data. Aim for high contrast between text and background, and keep enough padding so labels don't feel crowded. Once you're happy with your layout, save the slide as an image. Go to File in the top left, choose Save As, and select either JPEG or PNG. PNG often preserves crisp edges and flat colors better, while JPEG works fine for photo-style backgrounds. Save the specific slide you designed, and give the file a clear name so you can find it easily. If you designed multiple layout options, save each slide separately to test them later. Now, switch over to your Power BI report. In the Visualizations pane, open the Format Page tab. Expand Canvas settings and set the pixel size of the canvas to match your PowerPoint layout. Common values are 1920 by 1080 for Full HD, or 1280 by 720 for HD. Matching the aspect ratio is the key. If your layout was built in a 16.9 slide, use a 16.9 canvas so the image doesn't stretch or crop. Next, expand Canvas Background and import the layout image you just saved. Choose an appropriate image fit so the background fills the page without distortion, and set the transparency to 0 so the layout appears solid. Finally, align your visuals and data on top of the layout's placeholders. Drop charts, tables, and slicers into the spaces you designed, and nudge them into place so edges line up. Take your time here. Clean alignment is what makes the final report look professional. If needed, use consistent font sizes and colors that complement your background. And that's all. You've used PowerPoint to design a polished layout and brought it into Power BI to guide your visuals for a clean, consistent report.